Don't take your hands off the bars, buddy. See this rough dirt? That's what makes you wreck. That's why you gotta stay on the path that you okay? You're doing good. Well, that's because Daddy had to bring the tiller over here. So you gotta stay on the path. Don't ride the edge of the path. See where Daddy cuts? Go! That was the first good one. Give it gas, buddy. You gotta go faster. Because at some point he's wanting to actually go too slow, which is making it harder for him to keep it up, or harder for him to turn. Where if he would just carry a little more speed, he'd have no problem. That's why I'm telling him to give it the gas in sections, not because I want him to just go faster. Come on in. Let off the gas, hit the brakes. Good job, dude. All right, you want to turn it off? Okay, you know how, right? Good job. All right, you can hop off of it. Was that fun?
Yeah.
That was fun. You had your first big crash, didn't you? Hey, you had your first big crash and you didn't cry or anything, did you?
No.
Give me a high five, dude. Good job. Give me a hug.
Why is it like that little black?
The little gray one?
Yeah.
I'll ride it next time.
Why is it like right now?
I don't know. I just picked one.
Why you just ride this red one?
I just rode the red one this time. You want me to ride the gray one next time?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, give me a hug.
Okay.
I love you.